happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back after summer vacations, dear children. How are you all? Fine? Okay, today we will start in GK with a very interesting chapter, a new chapter for you all. And you know what is the name of the chapter? That is your chapter number 8, Library Etiquette. Now, what does it mean? हम लोग कहीं पे भी जाते हैं तो कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस होते हैं, है ना? कुछ डिसिप्लिन मैनर्स होते हैं. यस, हम लोग स्कूल्स में भी जाते हैं तो हमको डिसिप्लिन में रहना होता है. यस और नो? इन द सेम वे डियर चिल्ड्रन, whenever we visit a library, yes, whether it is in a school or outside, we have to follow some of the rules and regulations. Yes, and today with the help of a small video, we will learn some of the rules and regulations. So you all have to pay attention to it. Okay, let us start with our chapter. Okay, this is your chapter, that is library etiquette. Yes.
Read etiquettes. 1. Remain silent in the library so as not to disturb others. 2.
First of all, you should always remain silent in the library so that we don't disturb others. Yes, library means keep silence. Okay?
2. Do not eat or drink in the library. 3.
Do not eat or drink in the library. Yes, we should always follow this rule. हमको कुछ भी लाइब्रेरी में खाना या पीना नहीं चाहिए. Now, when you are in the school, आप कभी क्लास में कुछ भी ऐसे खाते और पीते हो? नहीं ना, हम कुछ रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं, हम डिसिप्लिन में रहते हैं. Yes, dear children, in the same way, dear children, we have to learn the manners when visiting the library as well.
Share the book with your friend in the library. 4.
Now, share your book with your friend in the library. Sharing is always good. Yes, हमको हमारे friends के साथ sharing करनी चाहिए. In the same way, dear children, library में भी हमको books की sharing करनी चाहिए. Yes. Now, when our friend needs something, उसको वो एक particular book चाहिए, तो हमको उसके साथ share करके पढ़ना चाहिए. When you will all visit your new school, no? When your school will reopens, then these manners will help you. Yes, ma'am will take you to the library as well. So, study the manners very carefully.
Never write, scribble, cut or tear pages of a library book.
Now, you are all not a small kid, है ना? हम छोटे बच्चे नहीं हैं, तो हमको एकदम छोटे बच्चों की तरह बुक को टीयर नहीं करना चाहिए, कट नहीं करना चाहिए. Understood?
5. Never run or jump in the library. 6. Take the
For running and jumping, you are having the playground. Yes, in the school you are having a playground for running and jumping. So, in library, you don't have to run or jump. Walk slowly. Okay?
Take the help of the librarian to find the book. 7.
Yes, whenever there is some difficulty, as when you are in your class, आपको कुछ भी डिफ़िकल्टी होती है, आपको कुछ मिलता नहीं है, तो आप कैसे क्लास टीचर की हेल्प लेते हो? इन द सेम वे डियर चिल्ड्रन, व्हेनेवर यू विजिट द लाइब्रेरी एंड यू आर हैविंग एनी डिफ़िकल्टी टू फाइंड द बुक, ऑलवेज आस्क द लाइब्रेरियन. ओके, द पर्सन. यस, जैसे कि आपके क्लास में क्लास टीचर होती है, टीचर्स होती हैं, वैसे ही लाइब्रेरी में भी एक टीचर होती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं लाइब्रेरियन. अंडरस्टूड?
Mark the page of the book you are reading with a bookmark to read it further. Don't.
Yes, always use the bookmarks. छोटे छोटे bookmarks बनाने के, कभी भी pages को fold नहीं करने का, so that we can continue to read that book in the future from that particular page.
Interpose the page. 8. only using the top corner of the book.
See how this girl is doing by turning the page from the top of the book. ऊपर से पेजेस टर्न करने के एकदम स्लोली एंड एकदम वेरी नाइसली.
Book. 9. Carry your library books in your school bag carefully. Keep.
You should always carry the library books in your school bag. Yes, very carefully you have to keep the library books in a very appropriate manner. Okay?
Keep your books in a safe place at home, away from your younger siblings and pets.
See how in this picture there is a bookshelf. कैसे उन्होंने बुक्स को एकदम सेफली रखा है. Yes, from away from your younger player siblings and pets as well. किसी किसी के घरों में पेट्स भी होते हैं, डॉग्स होते हैं, कुछ भी होता है, तो हमको उनसे बुक थोड़ी दूर रखनी चाहिए. ऐसे एक बड़े से बुक शेल्फ पे वी शुड कीप आवर बुक्स. ओके, नाउ let us do the quiz time as well. But before doing the quiz time, let us see the amazing fact.
Amazing fact. The British Library is the largest library in the world in terms of collection of more than 170 million items, including books, magazines, journals, etc., available for reading.
Now, the British Library is the most famous library. Yes, it is the most famous because it has more than 170 million items. That includes books, magazines for different persons to read. Let us see the real life fact.
Real life. Always follow the rules of a library. It will help you and other readers in the library.
You should always follow the rules of a library. Yes, today only ma'am has taught you some of the rules of library. So, you should pay attention to that rules. You should always follow the rule whenever you are visiting a library. Now, let us do a small quiz time which is there in your textbook. You can do along with me.
Tick the correct answer. The oldest library in the world is
The oldest library in the world is Al-Quran Library. You have to tick in the textbook as well. Open your textbook.
The largest library in India is
The largest library in the India is the answer is National Library of India.
The World Digital Library was created by
The World Digital Library was created by the Library of Congress. Dear children, I hope you are very much clear with this chapter. Now we will meet next time with something more interesting in GK. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.